Scene script. Have you ever found marketing your business as challenging as trying to decipher a complex riddle? Well, you're not alone. Many business owners find themselves in the same boat, navigating the murky waters of marketing without a clear direction or understanding. Think of it this way. Marketing your business is like watching a commercial. You're presented with a product or an idea, and it's up to you to convey its value to your audience, to make them see why they need it, why they should choose it over the countless other options out there. But here's the catch. It's not just about selling a product or a service. It's about creating a connection, a relationship with your audience. It's about understanding their needs, their desires, and tailoring your message to meet them where they are. In the next few minutes, we will unravel this riddle together. Imagine your business as a product on a shelf. What exactly are you offering? Let's take a moment to ponder over this. Your business, your brand, your product. It's not just an item or a service, it's an experience, a solution, a promise that you're offering to your customers. Understanding and defining what your business offers is not just crucial, it's the cornerstone of your success. But why is it so important? Well, in this vast marketplace filled to the brim with countless products and services, your offering needs to stand out. It needs to be unique, it needs to be compelling, and above all, it needs to be clear. Think about it. If you can't succinctly articulate what you're offering, how can you expect your customers to understand it? Your offering is your unique selling proposition. It's that special something that sets you apart from the rest. It's the reason why your customers choose you over your competitors. So, how do you define your offering? Start by asking yourself 3 simple questions. 1. What problem does your product or service solve? 2. How does it solve this problem differently or better than the competition? And 3. Why should customers trust your solution? Your answers will help you create a clear and compelling offering. This will not only attract the right customers, but also guide your marketing efforts. After all, your offering is the star of the show. It's what you'll highlight in your advertisements, your social media posts, your website, basically all your marketing materials. But remember, defining your offering is not a one-time task. The market is dynamic, and so are your customers. Their needs, preferences, and expectations change over time. So keep revisiting your offering. Keep refining it. Keep making it better. This is the essence of the model phase of marketing. It's about understanding your business from the ground up, defining your unique selling proposition, and constantly refining it to meet your customers' evolving needs. Remember, your offering is the foundation of your marketing strategy. It's the beacon that guides your marketing efforts, leading you towards success. Now that you have your offering, who are you trying to connect with? This question is the heart of understanding your target market. It's not just about selling a product or a service, it's about knowing who needs it, who wants it, and who will benefit from it the most. Identifying your target market is like being a detective in a world of consumers. You're looking for clues that point to a specific group of people, your ideal customers. These are the individuals who are most likely to engage with your brand, buy your products or services, and become loyal patrons. Defining your target market is a crucial step in your marketing journey. It's like creating a sketch of your ideal customer. What do they look like? How old are they? What are their interests and hobbies? Where do they live? What are their shopping habits? The more detailed the sketch, the better you can tailor your marketing strategy to fit their needs and wants. Understanding your target market goes beyond just demographics, though. It's about delving into their psychographics, their attitudes, aspirations, values, lifestyle, and personality. It's like getting to know a friend intimately. You learn what motivates them, what frustrates them, and what brings them joy. This knowledge enables you to create a brand and a message that resonates with them on a deeper level. But how do you gather all this information? Market research is a valuable tool. Surveys, focus groups, and interviews can provide insightful data. Look at your competitors. Who are they targeting? Why? Learn from their successes and their mistakes. Analyze your current customers. Why do they choose you? What do they love about your brand? These insights can help you refine your target market and hone your marketing strategy. Remember, your target market is not set in stone. As your business evolves, so might your ideal customer. That's why it's essential to regularly review and adjust your target market strategy. It's an ongoing process, a continual journey of discovery. Knowing your target market is like having a compass in the vast sea of potential customers. It guides your marketing decisions, helps you allocate your resources effectively, and increases your chances of success. So get out there, play detective, and discover who you're truly trying to connect with. What is the compelling reason for your target market to come to you instead of your competitors? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The answer lies in your message, that unique blend of words, emotions, and promises that sets you apart from the crowd. Imagine your business as a beacon in the night. There are countless others just like it, all vying for the attention of passing ships. But your beacon, it doesn't just shine, it pulses, it sings. It calls out to those ships in the darkness, promising safe harbor, a warm hearth, a place to rest and replenish. That's your message. Your message isn't just a slogan or a tagline. It's the soul of your business, the essence of what you offer and why it matters. It's not about what you do, but why you do it. It's the answer to that most crucial of questions. Why should I choose you? Creating a compelling message requires understanding your target market. What are their needs, their desires, their fears? What keeps them up at night? And how can you, with your unique skills and offerings, help them sleep a little easier? But a compelling message is more than just understanding your target market. It's about speaking their language. It's about resonating with them on a deeper emotional level. It's about making them feel seen, heard, and understood. It's about building trust. Consider this. We live in an age of information overload. Every day we're bombarded by countless messages, all clamoring for our attention. In such a noisy world, the most successful messages are not those that shout the loudest, but those that speak directly to us. So when crafting your message, ask yourself, what is the compelling reason for my target market to come to me instead of my competitors? If your message can answer that question, you're on the right track. A well-crafted message can be the difference between a passing glance and a lasting connection. So let's make that connection. Let's craft that message. Let's be that beacon in the night. Because when marketing is like a mindset, when you put it to work, you win. And your message? That's your winning ticket. Where can you find your target market? That's the million-dollar question, right? Well, the answer lies in the media. The right media channels are crucial for connecting your business to your target market. Think of the media as a vast ocean, teeming with different species of fish. These are your potential customers. Now, you wouldn't fish for tuna in a pond, would you? No, you'd go where the tuna live, the ocean. The same principle applies to your business. You need to fish where your customers are swimming. The world of media today is broader and more diverse than ever before. It's not just about television and newspapers anymore. We have social media, blogs, podcasts, webinars, ebooks, and so much more. Each of these channels attracts a different audience, and your task is to find out where your target market is spending their time. Is your target market tech-savvy millennials? Then social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok might be your best bet. Are they busy professionals who value in-depth analysis? Then maybe a business podcast or a blog post could be the way to go. Choosing the right media channel is not just about where your target market is, it's also about where they are willing to engage with you. It's about finding a place where your message can be heard, seen, and appreciated. So it's time to cast your net wide, but cast it wisely. Remember, the right media channel is like a bridge that connects your business to your target market. How can you provide value to your target market? Now that's the million-dollar question. The answer lies in creating a system, or as we like to call it, the machine. This isn't some cold, unfeeling contraption. Quite the contrary. Your machine is a dynamic, ever-evolving entity that consistently delivers value to your customers. It's the engine that keeps your marketing strategy running smoothly. Imagine it like this. Your machine is a well-oiled assembly line designed to take your offerings and convert them into solutions that your target market craves. It ensures that your message is packaged neatly, delivered right where your audience is, and more importantly, when they need it the most. So hone your machine, make it efficient, make it effective. It's through this constant delivery of value that you build trust, loyalty, and a strong brand. Remember, your machine is not just about selling, it's about serving. Your machine is the engine that keeps your marketing strategy running smoothly. Marketing might seem complex, but remember, it's all about understanding the basics and learning from your failures. We've traveled through the 5 territories of marketing: the model, what you're offering, the target market, who you're connecting to, the message, why they come to you, the media, focusing on where your audience resides, and the machine, providing value to aid them. Now it's time to put these insights into action. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your feedback is invaluable to us.